Hey everybody, welcome to another how-to video with Matt. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy coat hanger made out of black iron pipe and fittings. But first you're going to need a couple of things. Alright guys, so let's go over everything that you're going to need. You're going to need to get yourself a pair of channel locks right here. You need to go ahead and get yourself some hangers that you're going to use. Then you want to get you some 1/2 inch black iron pipe just like these right here, guys. These are two 12-inch nipples right here, so make sure you get two 12-inch. Then you want to make sure that you get two 1/2 inch 90s just like that. Then you want to make sure you get two 1/2 inch floor mounts just like these right here, guys. And then it's up to you on the length of your closet hanger. You can have either a 24-inch, you can have a 12-inch, or you can do like me. We went ahead and got the 36-inch, guys, because I plan on hanging a lot of jackets and coats and stuff like that on it, guys. So let's get started making it. Alright, so what we're going to do is just going to take our 90 to start off with and one of our 12-inch nipples. We're going to go ahead and thread that in to one end just like that. Then you want to take one of your floor mount pieces, go ahead and thread that in also just like that. Alright, so now what we're going to do is go ahead and take one of our ends off of our longest pipe that we're going to use to hang off of with our hangers, and go ahead and thread that into one end just like that. Go ahead and get that nice and tight. And if you worry about getting it like too tight or like anything, you can always use your channel locks to either loosen it or crank it down. But you can pretty much do most of this just by hand tightening it, guys, just like that. So now we'll come down to our other end right here. Go ahead and twist our 90 on just like that. And like I said, see how that kind of stopped doing it by hand tight, and it's different. So you can just take your channel locks and turn that to make sure that it's facing the correct way. And once you do that, then you're going to want to go ahead and thread this nipple right here into your 90. And the last thing you want to do is take your last floor mount piece right there, guys, and go ahead and thread that on. Alright, and once you get that threaded on all the way, then what you want to do is find a nice flat surface, like a nice flat table or something like that. You just want to make sure you lay one end down flat like that and have your other end down also, and make sure that they line up nice and flat, guys. Just like that right there. So now they are both nice and flat. I can't really fit it all in here. I'll show you the other side. So there we go, nice and flat. So now we're ready to mount it to the wall, and then we can go ahead and do either one or two things. You can leave it looking just like this brand new flat black pipe look right here, or you can take a can of spray paint, like some glossy black, and paint the pipe real nice and shiny, remove all the stickers, and then you'll be ready to mount it to your wall, guys, and put your hangers on it. Alright guys, so there you have it. We have mounted it to our test board right here to see how it looks, and I think it looks great. It's going to look good to hang up some big coats and hoodies on this coming fall. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to hit that like button down below for me and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful week. Peace.